So if you've been watching the other videos, that's the engine now serviced for this Yamaha Malta 3 horsepower 2-stroke. Just about to do a test run. I put some fresh fuel in because the customers requested that the fuel be drained down. So a bit of splash of fuel in there. We'll just run it till it runs out, just so the carb's empty. And this is the first run with the new impeller, spark plug, gear oil and all that. So got the engine to set to the crank position, like for the start. A little bit of choke there. See the choke mechanism in and out on the carburetor. And then just give it a pull. Pumping water really well. Didn't really require much choke at all really. It's a warm day. Don't know if the choke needs the carburetor needs some adjustment. Check it in gear now. Out of gear. In gear. Out of gear. In gear. Out of gear. Hesitant when you open the throttle wide open there, so you might need to adjust the fuel, the mixture screw. But I'll leave it running for a little bit just to warm up. If it stalls out, might need some adjustment. But at the moment, it seems to be running alright. Like I say, we're just going to run it out of fuel completely. The customer plans on storing it for some time. That new water pump there, it's pumping water really well. Also we tested the thermostat, so we're just in here looking for any water leaks, which you can't see any. All in all, the engine's in really good condition. Was a little bit concerned about that compression reading of 90, but I say it's not bad, it's not terrible, but the engine's running absolutely fine there now. So I imagine that it would probably have increased now that it's got some 2-stroke fuel run through it. So that's it on the dead idle. And just in here, if you can see, we've got the idle adjustment and we've got a fuel screw mixture. I did have to set it when we first got the engine because it was about 5 turns from bottomed out. It's about 1.5 turns. I think it's set to about 1.5 to 2 turns. So we're going to blip the throttle as quick as we can, see if the engine stalls. Got picked up, a little bit hesitant, but it's offload. Try it in gear. Seems well there, but like I say, I'll let it run. If it stalls, I'll do some adjustment, but hopefully it'll run. If it runs for 10-15 minutes, no problem, then I think we're all right.